Alright guys, so I have a 2012 Triumph Street Triple here. Have a crank no start condition. I'm trying to figure out what it might be. So the fuel pump primes when the ignition's turned on, and right now I'm checking resistance on the crank position sensor. So first, let me show you that. I got CPS right here. Let me turn on my multimeter. And switch that to ohms. So set in ohms right now. God damn it. Alright. Set to ohms. CPS has 197-ish ohms. 196.9, 197. It's been pretty consistent. So it's stock CPS as far as I can tell. There's that. Stator plug. I'm getting, it looks like really low resistance, around 0.1 to 0.2 on each pin. So all the pins have the same resistance. So that's these two. Drops down to 0.1, as you can see. The next two drops to 0.1, and then finally also drops to 0.1. So the other side here, the regulator rectifier, let me change to diode mode. So rectifier, sorry, checking reverse, gets 0.5 on all the poles, and checking forward, gets a 0.095 on all the poles. And then if I switch over here on the battery, it gets open circuit. So it looks like the regulator rectifier is fine. So I don't think that needs to be replaced. Not sure what else to check. So CPS seemingly gets fine readings. When cranking, this relay right here clicks. So obviously I can't crank it right now, but it's getting a signal from the CPS. And the only other thing I can think of, I guess, would be fuel pump, maybe. But as I said, the fuel pump primes. Yeah, not really sure, guys. Thanks.